morning everyone, hope you all safe with a good health. With you, Ms. Dina Al-Badri, science teacher for grade 6. Today we will start lesson 1 in unit 2, land biomes. What is the meaning of the word biome? Biome is a region of the earth which the climate determines the type of the plant that live there. The types of the plants in the biome determine the types of the animals that live there. Desert, grasslands, tundra, taiga, temperate forest, and tropical forest. All of these are types of the biomes. So the biome is a place which the climate in this place determine the type of the plant. The type of the plant determine the type of the animal which live in this place. Climate is the main abiotic factor that characterize a biome. Climate describes the long-term pattern of the temperature and precipitation in a region. The position of the biome on Earth affects its climate. For example, biomes closer to the poles have colder climate. More than which are closest to equator have warmer climates. Other abiotic factors that characterize a biome include soil type, amount of sunlight, and amount of water available. Abiotic factors affect which organism can live in a biome. Adaptation are features that allow organisms to survive and reproduce. Plants and animals that live in a biome have adaptation to its unique conditions. So, in this lesson, we talked about the biome. The meaning of the biome is a place which the climate in this place determine the type of the animal, type of the plant which live in this place. So the animal the animal and plants make something we called it adaptation according to the surrounding condition. For example, animals in biomes that are cold all year often grow thick fur coats. Plants in biome which seasonal temperature change lose their leaves and become inactive in winter. Most biomes stretch across huge area of land. Within each biome are smaller areas called ecosystems. Each ecosystem includes a specific community of organisms and their physical environment. A temperature forest biomes can contain pond or river ecosystems. Grasslands biomes can contain area of small trees. So the ecosystem contains specific community of organisms and their physical environment. Okay. So we have something we call the tundra. Tundra have low average temperature and very little precipitation. It is found in the Arctic and in the high mountain regions. The ground contains permafrost, a thick layer of the permanent frozen. Tundra has low average temperature and very little precipitation. It's found in the Arctic and in the high mountain region. Taiga is like the tundra. So-called poodle forest has low average temperature as in tundra, but more precipitation. Taiga biomes are found in Canada and Northern Europe and Asia. Taiga plants include coniferous trees, where are trees that have evergreen needle-like leaves. Some birds which make migration live in taiga in summer. Some animals live there year-round, and some undergo seasonal change in fur color. That's all today. Next time, inshallah, we will complete our lesson. Now you are going to watch a video about the biomes, different types of biomes. Hope you all understand and study well. Thank you.
Welcome to Moo Math and Science and a list of the biomes. A biome is a biological community. that is formed in response to shared physical climate. Biomes can be either terrestrial or land or aquatic. Up first is the desert. Deserts can be found in North America, Australia, and the southwest U.S. Here's a map of some of the deserts of the world. Deserts have very little rainfall. They can be hot or they can even be cold. Grassland. Grasslands are found in the U.S., Canada, Argentina, Russia, and even Turkey. They are dominated by grass. They have cold winters and hot summers and average rainfall. Savanna. It is similar to a grassland, but they are found in East Africa, South America, and they're known for having a wet and dry season and warm temperatures throughout most of the year. The rainforest, which is found at the equator, has little variation in temperature and lots of rain. The deciduous forest is found in North America, East Asia, Europe, and Norway. Many of the trees have leaves that fall off in the winter, and they generally have 4 seasons. A taiga can be found in Russia, Canada, Alaska, and Sweden. It is the largest land biome. You will find spruce trees and pines. They have short summers and long cold winters. A tundra has very little tree growth. It can be found in Russia and northern Canada and has low temperatures, which results in lots of shrubs and mosses. Under the aquatic biomes, you have the ocean. The ocean has high salinity and covers most of the world. An estuary is an area where you have the mix of salt and fresh water. And finally, under fresh water, it has a very low salinity, and you will find ponds, lakes, streams, and again, they have low salinity. So there is a list of some of the major biomes of the world. Thanks for watching, and Moo Moo Math uploads a new math and science video every day. Please subscribe and share.